Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today, me and my teammates will present about technical support activities for healthcare technology management. So, to introduce our group, my name is Azruddin bin Azli. I'm responsible for making sure that all works are done properly, tidying up the content in the slide, and make a conclusion for this task.
My name is Muhammad Amir bin Farizal. I am obliged to contact industry player, that is Madam Nurul Fatihah binti Muhammad Nur, and introduce the industry player and the company, that is Advanced. I do the HTML field title and 4.0.
For the team's members, my name is Atief bin Shamsislan, and the responsibilities of this group is source of information for group members and give instruction to guarantee that activities are finished precisely and on schedule. For the introduction of assignment, the administration of medical equipment, healthcare facilities, and healthcare modalities is known as Healthcare Technology Management or HTM to guarantee the safety and efficient operation of medical equipment systems. It involves planning, installing, maintaining, and disposing of them. So, for the objective, supporting the safe and efficient use of medical technologies and device while making sure they are well maintained in line with clinical requirements and contribute to high quality patient care is the major objective. Explanation about the Gantt chart. So we start with week 14. Start with introduction of project assignment and introduction of industry. We begin initial research about on the company advanced spec. So next for week 15, we move on the definition and objective of the title of HTM field. So next week 16, we complete definition and objective and start to do project flow, including diagram and others details. So for week 17, we focus on finalize the project flow and writing the summary for the conclusion. And then with 18, we review and finalize all section, make a final edit, and prepare for submission before the due date. So that's all.
Okay, I want to show you the introduction of industry player or company. Madam Nurul Fatihah binti Muhammad Nur, that is a manager of Advanced Sinaberhad. She gave us a lecture about technical support in healthcare technology management on 25th September 2024. She represented on behalf of Advanced Sinaberhad the scope of Advanced company activity. Alright, so it is divided to four. The first one is biomedical equipment maintenance. This company will maintain and calibrate medical devices for hospitals. And second one is facility management. The Advanced company handles overall hospital maintenance, including cleaning, security, and engineering support. Third one is healthcare project planning. They do consult on hospitals design, equipment procurement, and facility setup. The last one is training programs. They also provide training for healthcare workers to build skills in technical and non-technical areas. Next one is, what is technical support activities? It is to advise the user on matters related to selection, procurement, testing and commissioning, upgrading, replacement, maintenance, usage, condition appraisal, decommissioning, and disposal, and also defects during the warranty period of biomedical equipment. The next one is objective. The first one is to avoid financial losses. The second one, to provide advisory services to the user or hospital. The one is to gain Ministry of Health approval for asset disposal. And then the last one is to obtain an exemption before the user handovers maintenance activities to the concession or under warranty. Process flow. When an incident occurs, the user will report to safety officers and company and the company, and then they will contact the engineer to respond to the incident and take necessary remedial action. The user will provide initial incident report. The engineer will acknowledge report, will investigate the incident. The engineer will provide complete report of incident and then will deliver to head of department to acknowledge the incident report and submit to the safety and health committee. And then the user will notify the medical device authority and submit a copy to state health department and engineering services division. And then the engineer will be needed to update reports or records in ASIS. And then state health department or engineering service division, Ministry of Health, will acknowledge the incident and proceed for necessary action, whether it is notification, monitoring, or etc. Now is hazard versus recall. The first for hazard alert. Hazard alert is a notification about a potential or existing risk with a device advising precautionary measure, right? Precautionary measure. And then for recall alert is a notification requiring removal, repair, or replacement of a defective or unsafe device. The second one is issued by hazard alert, eventually issued by regulatory bodies like Medical Device Authority or manufacturer. And then a recall alert, usually manufacturer in coordination with regulatory authorities. The next aspect is purpose. Hazard alert is to inform users about a potential safety issue that can be managed. For the recall alert, the purpose of recall alert is to remove, replace, or repair medical devices that pose serious risk. The next aspect is severity. So for hazard alert, it involves potential or manageable risks that do not immediately require device removal. But for recall alert, it involves serious risk or defects that require immediate action to ensure safety. For the next aspect is action required. For the hazard alert, we need to follow safety guidelines and take precautionary actions or apply temporary fixes. For the recall alert, we need to remove the device from use, repair, replace, or issue refunds. Next one is follow-up actions. Hazard alert may involve issuing field safety notices, FSN, or updating instruction for safe use. For recall alert, it requires returning the device to the manufacturer, repair or replacement. The last aspect is device status. For the hazard alert, the device may remain in use with specific safety measures or precaution. But for the recall alert, the device is usually removed from service and not used until repaired or replaced. The next one is class of medical devices recall. For class 1, the categories falls in is high risk, which is the class 1's recalls are the most severe types. In a class 1 recall, there is a reasonable chance that the product will cause serious health problems, injury, or death. For class 2, it is less serious risk. There is either a possibility that the device will cause temporary or reversible health problems, or a remote chance that it will cause serious problems. Right. The last but not least is class 3, which is lower risk. Class 3 recalls represents a less severe risk than a class 2 recall. In a class 3 recall, there is little chance that using or being exposed to the device will cause health problems.
Here is the flowchart work of hazard alert and recall procedure of medical devices. The first step is notification. User or engineer receive alerts and recall from the manufacturer or MDA. The next step, step 2, is to identify. Engineer check biomedical equipment registered to identify the affected equipment. Step 3, advise. Engineer disseminate a copy of alerts or recall notice to the hospital director and relevant user. Explain to the user on action to be taken. Step 4, arrange and isolate. Engineer arrange for recall of device. The affected biomedical equipment, its accessories and consumables shall be taken out of use, tagged and stored in a secured area. And the last step is step 5, decontaminate. User have to decontaminate the affected biomedical equipment before any corrective action taken by manufacturer can be taken. Equipment life cycle. First, testing and commissioning. Second, maintenance. Then maintenance, they have two, first during warranty and second after warranty. During warranty, uh, the the maintenance will be held by the manufacturer, and the post warranty will be maintenance by the user. Then the next step is scheduled maintenance and unscheduled maintenance. And before decommissioning and disposal, we have to do BER process. Okay. Conclusion. H- Healthcare Technology Management or HTM technical support ensure healthcare system run smoothly, securely and meet regulation of the MDA. Key tasks include installing system, securing data, troubleshooting and integrating device. These activities help prevent disruption, allowing healthcare staff to focus on patient care. By managing backups, training, and vendor relation, HTM strengthen healthcare technology. Ultimately, HTM technical support activity form an essential backbone of modern healthcare environment, driving both operational excellence and enhanced patient outcome. So this is how we gain our information. We first we approach the industry player. Uh, she was giving us talk about HTM technical support and decommissioning and disposal. After the program has finished, we approach her and we ask for her number to ask some question in WhatsApp. Before we approach her in WhatsApp, we form two question about our topic, which is technical support activities. Here we can see we first approach by introducing ourselves, and then we explain our task and ask question. After that, we receive the answer from the industry player. She also send the slide presentation from the program to us re- for us to review and use in this task. And we also use our lecturer slide presentation for the technical support activities. Chapter 3, which is medical device maintenance by Madam Nur Hidayah. That's all from us. Thank you.